Welcome back to Doomsday Prepper. In today's episode of our urban survival series, we're diving into a crucial skill: navigating city streets with top-notch situational awareness. Whether you're prepping for doomsday or just staying safe in the urban jungle, these tips will keep you one step ahead. Let's get into it. City streets can be unpredictable and dangerous, especially when things go south. Situational awareness is key for every doomsday prepper and survivalist. Knowing how to read your environment, spot threats, and move safely can make all the difference. Let's break down the essential tips for mastering urban navigation. The basics of situational awareness. First up, what is situational awareness? It's about being hyper-aware of your surroundings, understanding what's happening, and anticipating what might happen next. In an urban setting, this means watching people, traffic, and environmental cues that could spell danger. Key tips for urban situational awareness. Number on our list is staying focused and avoiding distractions. Distractions can be deadly. Keep your head up, limit phone use, and stay off your headphones. You need to see and hear what's going on around you. Regularly scan your surroundings. Look ahead and use your peripheral vision to stay aware of what's happening around you. Number 2, know your route and alternatives. Always plan ahead. Know your main route and have backup routes ready in case things go sideways. Use navigation apps to check for roadblocks or heavy traffic. Know alternate paths to your destination to avoid trouble. Number 3, be mindful of crowded areas. Crowded places can be hotspots for trouble. Keep your belongings secure and stay alert for anyone acting suspiciously. Move with the flow of people. Don't push through crowds aggressively. It can draw unwanted attention. Number 4, understand the local area. Do your homework. Learn about the neighborhoods you frequent. Know which areas to avoid, especially at night. Recognize key landmarks to help you navigate and stay oriented. Number 5, trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Trust your gut and change your route or find a safe spot. It's better to be safe than sorry. Your instincts are your first line of defense. Number 6, stay visible and make eye contact. Walk with purpose and confidence. Making brief eye contact can show you're aware and not an easy target. Avoid dark or isolated areas. Stick to well-lit and populated streets, especially at night. Number 7, use all your senses. Stay sharp, listen for unusual sounds, and be alert to any strange smells that could signal danger. Screeching tires, raised voices, or the smell of smoke can all be warning signs. Number 8, observe body language. Reading people is crucial. Notice if someone's behavior seems off or if they're too close for comfort. Agitated or nervous behavior can be a red flag. Maintain your personal space and stay alert. Number 9, be prepared for emergencies. Preparation is everything. Know local emergency contacts and carry basic supplies like a first aid kit and a whistle. Keep essential numbers handy, including the nearest police stations and hospitals. Number 10, stay informed. Stay updated with local news and alerts. Real-time information is vital in a crisis. Follow local authorities and news outlets on social media for instant updates. What are practical applications of situational awareness? Let's talk about real-life applications. Number 1, commuting. During rush hours, stay aware of your surroundings. Keep your bag in front, stay clear of platform edges, and be mindful of your belongings. Number 2, exploring new areas. When exploring, use maps but also look around. Blend in with the locals to avoid standing out. Number 3, nighttime navigation. Stick to well-lit areas, avoid shortcuts through parks or alleys, and walk in groups if possible. Keep your phone charged and share your location with a trusted friend. Number 4, shopping and leisure. Stay sharp while shopping or enjoying leisure activities. Keep your wallet or purse secure and choose seats with a clear view of the entrance in cafes. When it comes down to it, situational awareness is a critical skill for every doomsday prepper and survivalist. By staying alert, prepared, and informed, you can navigate the urban jungle safely and effectively. Practice these tips to develop a keen sense of awareness and stay one step ahead. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more survival tips from Doomsday Prepper. And get ready for our next video in the Urban Survival series: Emergency First Aid, Life-Saving Skills for Urban Environments. Stay safe out there and see you next time.